Hello again everyone, welcome to my channel where I talk about all things security. I am your legendary host, John the Greyman Doe. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our content. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of security. Ever wondered how the concept of security evolved? Let's explore together in today's episode. The roots of security trace back to the days of early human civilization, where the primitive concept of security was about guarding personal spaces like caves against predators. But as civilizations advanced, so did their needs for security. Let's delve into ancient history to see how. The Egyptians, around 4,000 years ago, were the first to invent the mechanical lock and key system. Made of wood, these were simple but effective, ushering in a whole new era of physical security. As the centuries rolled by, different civilizations improved upon this concept. The Romans, for instance, miniaturized the Egyptian concept, crafting metal locks and keys, some even small enough to be worn as rings. With the advent of the Industrial Revolution in the 18th century, the world of security saw an unprecedented leap. Innovations like the Yale cylinder lock fundamentally transformed the landscape of mechanical security, offering higher security with more complex mechanisms. Entering the 20th century, with rapid technological advancements, the field of security took on new forms. From alarm systems installed in homes and banks, to the creation of safes and vaults, security had become an integral part of society. But as we all know, technology never stops evolving. And that takes us to the dawn of digital security. As computers became commonplace in the 1970s and 80s, they also became a new target. The birth of computer viruses prompted the need for cybersecurity. From then on, digital security has grown at a staggering pace. With the internet connecting the globe, new security threats arose. From firewalls in the 90s, to encryption, to modern-day biometrics and AI, digital security continues to evolve at breakneck speed. As we venture further into the 21st century, the world of security is increasingly complex and multidimensional. So, what can we expect in the future? With the advent of technologies like quantum computing, AI, and blockchain, security will undoubtedly take on new forms and face new challenges. But one thing remains certain: the need for security, whether physical or digital, will continue to be a fundamental part of our lives. Here's to a future where security empowers us, protects us, and fosters trust in our increasingly connected world. That's all we have for today. If you enjoyed this quick dive into the history of security, please give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Until next time, stay curious, and stay safe.